In this lesson, we want to explain the editor preferences. We enter the editor software and select edit menu, then editor preferences. There are several different tabs in this window that will be explained their important setting. A general tab. In a snagit theme section, you can darken or lighten the color of entire software. In the language, you can change the language of the software. Show capture widget option is for displaying the small recording software at the top of the screen. If you click it and hit OK, this is small widget here. Okay, back to settings. Show me onboarding option is for displaying the help videos that are shown first when opening the software. Okay. Editor tab. In the workspace color editor section, you can change the working background color. For example, this light color, hit OK, as you can see. But the dark color is better. Okay. Recent file thumbnail size option, where you can change the display of the photo that placed here. But if you want to change it, you can right click in and change the size here. Okay, back to the setting. Automatically expand the canvas to fit object is for when we draw an object, but it comes out of the photo frame. As you can see, the frame is enlarged accordingly. But if it is inactive and we draw an object, the object will be cut. Okay, back to the setting. The escape key closes editor. That means pressing the escape button on the keyboard causes the software close. So easy. Show cursor quick style pop-up. If enable, display styles on the mouse. As you can see. Back to the software, and it is better to disable this icon, this option. It is sometimes annoying. Okay, the show toolbar label option is to display the text below each comment here, if you want to disable it. A library tab. In the maximum recent file section, you can specify the number of photos that will be displayed in the recent tray of software. These two options allow the video and photo to be stored in the library. Prompt before deleting file, ask us before deleting any file. Remove all items from the tray when closing editor is for when we close the editor. Software causes all files deleted inside the software. Advanced tab. Always keep editor running in the background, makes the software always open. Delete cropped content option. If you look at close it at this image, there are crop handle around it. If this option is not enabled, if we crop part of the photo, we can go back and that part of the photo does not have been deleted. But if this option is active, it deletes part of the photo, as you can see. Okay, back to setting. Automatically flatten paste image option. If we insert another object, paste another object, another photo in other photo, it automatically flatten the output. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.